So let us finally understand what are the applications of AES. So Auger electron spectroscopy, the basic principle is this technique is used to analyze the chemical composition of surfaces. This technique determines the concentration of elements on the surface by measuring the energies of Auger electrons. So this is the principle of Auger electron spectroscopy. Some of the applications are chemical shifts can be seen, oxidation states of the elements can be studied, depth profiling studies can be done, elemental analysis can be done, use for low atomic numbers and high spatial resolution Auger electron spectroscopy can be used. Qualitative analysis of solid surfaces can be done by AES technique. Now coming to an XPS, final kind of application for an XPS is XPS can be used to analyze the surface chemistry of the material after an applied treatment such as fracturing, cutting or scraping. From non-stick cookware coatings to thin films, electronics and bioactive surfaces. XPS is the standard tool used for surface material characterization. If we want to understand what is the material present on the surface, generally XPS technique has been utilized. Now there are several areas which are suited to the measurement of XPS. Some of them are elemental composition, empirical formula determination, chemical state, electronic state, binding energy, layer thickness in the upper portion of the surfaces. There are some specific systems that can be studied. Analysis of stains and residues on surface can be studied by XPS. Reactive frictional wear of solid-solid reactions can be seen. Silicon oxynitride thickness and measurements of the dosage can be seen. Depth profiling studies can be seen. Now this removes successive layers from the surface of the sample and allows the quantitation of the element depth profiles. It can be recorded in a near surface region. This is useful in the composition of thin films. When we want to understand what is the composition of the thin films, depth profiling studies are done using XPS. In the next depth profiling studies, what we do is there is a sputter source that is used. It is also called as X-ray source only. This removes the successive layers. That means first all the initial layers are removed and then the inner layers are actually exposed and the surface of the sample, and it allows the quantitation of the element to be recorded, and this is composition of the thin films that it can be recorded. Angle dependence measurements can be done. When the angle of the measurement is changed, the depth of the information gathered can be varied by 1 to 10 nanometer. Now X-rays fall at one particular angle. If I go on changing the angle of those particular X-rays, then I can get more of the data. The usefulness here is determine the concentration of the additives in the surface region. If there is something SS that has been added to the surface region, can be done. The oxides can be studied by this particular technique. Imaging of the surface can be done. Utilizing a special imaging mode, the distribution of the elements in surface structures can be determined. Now this technique is useful in the dimensions up to 3 micrometer. Thank you.